Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to translate text instantly in Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first, you need to open your Google Docs, click this plus icon right here, and then import or add a file or document. To add or open a file, all you have to do is to click this file option above, tap on open, and locate that file or document that you want to add here in your Google Docs. Now, let's just say you wanted to translate this text into another language, then all you have to do is tap on the tool option above, scroll down, and tap on Translate Document. Click this one right here. Now you should see this translate this document and also the title below. If you want to change that to another language, all you have to do is to tap this arrow facing down and select that specific language right here. You can change or edit the title if you want. So once you're done, all you have to do is tap on or click on translate and wait for a couple of seconds and you should see that your document is in another page, but this time it is translated to that specific language. Also, again, if you want to translate this to another language, just follow the step. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.